Hello guys, so today we're gonna make an overview of very useful and probably one of the best ones SEO plugins in WordPress. It's Yoast plugin. So personally I like it really a lot and it's easy to use and it's free. Of course there is a premium option, but it's only in case if you want to go really advanced SEO. So first of all, of course, you need to install it. After you installed it, let's just go through some tabs. So in general tab, you can see all your dashboard, you can see all problems which currently are here. Then features, I would recommend to enable all of the features. So SEO analysis means that your blogs and pages will be analyzed, and readability analysis, cornerstone content, XML sitemaps, and stuff like that. So I just recommend to enable in all of it. Then webmaster tool verification. So I also recommend to verify your webmaster tools. Not all of them probably. I would just recommend Google and Bing for a start. It would be enough, I think. So let's just go to search appearance. How that looks like. So search appearance allows you to edit all your content and how it appears in Google search and in any other search engines. So you can first of all set up your graph tags, so you can identify either your blog is a company or person. So it's like let's put a company, name of a company and company logo. So I would recommend to upload that, and then here you can bulk edit how your snippets will appear in search results. So I like this feature really a lot. It's really helpful. So for example, for all your posts, you can, even if you have like 500 posts, you can edit them and put that changes for all of your posts. So show posts in search results, date in snippet preview, and Yoast SEO meta box. So I have all of this stuff checked. Then SEO title, so you can automatically put it for all your blogs. So in my case it will be title, then page separator and site title. So it can be something like top things to do in Birmingham, then separator and muesli. Meta description, I just put an excerpt. So if I forgot to insert a meta description, it will be automatically generated from excerpt of my post. And the same exactly options are for pages, but for pages I don't show date in snippet preview. For listings, if you have some other options. For products, if you're using WooCommerce, it can be really useful because like if you have, for example, hundreds of WooCommerce products, it will take you a lot of time to go through each product, but here in Yoast you can just set it up automatically. Then the same stuff you can do with media. You can decide if you want to show media or not. Taxonomies, if you want to show categories. So I personally recommend like just looking and thinking if you do really need to show your archives and search results. So I think it's enabled on this website, but I would recommend not enabling it. Because if you enable too many pages, it's not that good for Google. Google will spend like indexing budget on indexing all of these pages which don't contain any information, so I wouldn't recommend to do it. So let's just go to Search Console section. So here obviously you need to connect your Google Search Console account, and you will get all your Search Console data right into Yoast plugin. So you don't need to log into Search Console to see all the data. So I think it's also quite useful. Tools, social. So on social, I would recommend to add your all accounts here. So this way Yoast will tell Google for which social accounts your site needs to be associated. And then for Facebook, it's also a really cool feature. I also really like it. So you can edit Open Graph metadata here. So for example, for Facebook, you can put that it's enabled, and then you can put your default image for Open Graph in Facebook. So for example, if you forgot to set a featured image or specific Facebook Open Graph image, this default image will appear. So it's really useful. Yeah, you can do same for Twitter and Pinterest. You can set Pinterest confirmation. And this way your site will be confirmed with Pinterest and you will receive more engagement on Pinterest. So don't forget to do it. And with tools, here are some additional tools you can try. So for example, if you want to edit your robots.txt file, or if you want to edit your htaccess file, you can do it here. So you don't need to go into backend and stuff like that. You can just do it here, but be really careful with this stuff. And also let's see what bulk editor does. So with bulk editor, you can change titles and descriptions of your posts without having to go into each separate page. So let's look how Yoast works for a particular post. So what I really like, when Yoast plugin is installed, you will see this Yoast SEO section under each post or page. So here you will see 3 tabs. So this is content optimization. You can edit your snippet, meta description, and slug. And this is what I really like in Yoast. So you can check your readability and you will get specific adjustments and recommendations how to improve your SEO and readability. So also important thing is to enter your focus keyword. And then Yoast will tell you if your text is optimized for this keyword, and you will see exact problems, how to improve your on-page SEO. So for example, keyword density is too low, no images appear, no internal links, but good result that focus keyword appears in first paragraph, meta descriptions contain the focus keyword, SEO title has a nice length, so all this stuff. So with Yoast plugin, it's really easy to see if your blog post has some SEO potential. So ideally, you need to aim for green lights, both in readability and SEO. So right now, this one is red and this is orange. So a lot of work needs to be done here. Also for specific posts, you can edit your open graph tags. So you can add how your image and title and description would look like in Facebook. So it can be different to your featured image. And then in advanced, you can, which I also really like, you can make it no follow and no index. So if you don't want this post to appear in search results, you would choose no here. And if you want to put no follow links in this post, you just check here. And that's about it. That's like a very basic overview of Yoast SEO plugin. So let's just look what they offer with premium option. So I'm using premium option on some other websites, and I really like it. So I think if you're serious about your SEO effort, you should try it as well. So with premium, you would have redirect manager. So it means you can create redirects to your blogs and Yoast will be automatically creating them for you. You can include multiple focus keywords. So for example, for that blog, it can be not only Birmingham things to do, but also like Birmingham attractions and up to 5 focus keywords. And you can create really cool long form content You can use social previews to check what your Facebook or Twitter posts will look like. And there are some other features as well. So I think it can be a nice investment, especially if you are serious about blogging. This is an overview of Yoast Seo plugin. Thanks for watching.